Hey everyone, so welcome back to today's video where we're going to be unboxing both of our base and our premium boxes for Boxycharm for the month of May. And I just wanted to quickly come on here while I'm unboxing and just wish you guys all a late happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day, and we're just going to go ahead and get unboxing into this. If you guys are new to Boxycharm, I'll link everything down below. We have been doing this for a very long time, so I know a lot of you guys know what's going on, how it works, but you guys always know that the information is down below and also how to subscribe to Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and get into this and let's see what's inside. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this base box right here. School is ending for us really soon. We have 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks or so, and I cannot tell you, I'm just checked out. Like, I'm done. I'm ready to go. Like, we are so done with school. Don't get me wrong, I love working at the school. I love being there, but this mom is tired. For this month's theme, we are working with Super Bloom, and I love the color of this purple. So the first thing I see here is Refreshments. I actually have heard of this brand before. I have used it. We'll talk about it here in a second. But it says, we don't make bathroom essentials, we make self-care superstars. And then I believe it shows you a picture of like all their products from Refreshments. So the first thing I see in here is, I assume, yes, their Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. I actually do have this one in my bathroom currently, as well as their shampoo and conditioner. But here's what it looks like. I don't have the pink one, actually. The one I have is like purple and green, I think, and it works. I mean, it's a razor. I really don't know what else to say besides that it works as a razor. I'm still kind of on the fence about the shampoo, but yeah, so we get a razor, which, you know what, it's that time of the year where we got to wear shorts, so girls got to shave her legs, right? And next thing I have here is by Pharmacy, another product I have in my shower. This is the Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA resurfacing serum. It helps eliminate bumps with 10% lactic acid and 2% BHA. So right now I currently use 2 products from Truly. I use a body butter and then a serum and a body oil, and I really like the way that applies, but we will definitely be using this because I will take anything to make my skin look pretty and ready for the summer. So I'm all in. Next up I have here is by Ciate. This is the Dewy Blush, the Glossy Cheek Tint. Oh, and I have the shade Coconut. I'm a little bit nervous about the whole glossy. I hope this is the color because this is a pretty color. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I hope this doesn't stay glossy. Like, I hope it'll blend out and I can set it nicely. Today I'm actually wearing one by Natasha Denona. I actually filmed this look, so this will be coming out. I am new. I am trying to figure out which formulas I like for, you know, applying like cheek products, like liquid cheek products, and let's see how this works. I will definitely try this out. The glossy makes me a little nervous, but we'll keep going. Next up we have is by V Cosmetics. This is a liquid velvet lipstick. And there you have it. I also have this, which is, I believe, by EsteBEEe. This is the eyeshadow primer. I prefer eyeshadow primers that kind of cancel everything out also, not just like ones that are clear, because I mean, like, I have things that I need to hide on my eyes. So when I get something that's a base that's got color to it, this one does not. Yeah. This is by Skin Inc., and this is the Serum Glow Filter. So you use this 1 to 2 pumps before makeup as a primer to brighten skin. Heck yeah, I'm going to use this. Even skin tone and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. I'm actually just going to put this right here on my desk to remind myself to use it, but I am immediately going to use that. So that is the base box, which is fine. We're good, right? Yeah, it's fine. So let's talk about the pricing really quickly, what everything retails for. So we have the Skin Inc. that retails for $50, which is this little product right here. The Pharmacy retails for $40. The Ciate Blush retails for $22. The Liquid Lipstick retails for $22. Oh, Basic. Why did I think this said Basey? Do you see that? Look at that. It says like, it looks like it has an E on it. It's Basic Beauty. Okay. The Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer retails for $18. So that is everything we got in our box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yes. I believe, yeah, that's this refreshment is a like just like an add-on for it. Let's move into the premium box. If you guys know what you're getting, let me know down below. I see same theme. Look at this. This is the first thing I saw. I'm becoming really lazy. I have to wash so many brushes, so the fact that I got more brushes makes me happy because that's just an extra day that I can put off washing all my brushes. This is by the brand LaRousse. I have the 3 brushes. You've got something for probably underneath the eyes. I actually probably would use this for cream blush. Little chiselly thing. And then an angled brush, which I would probably use as my eye, or right now I've been using a lot of these angled brushes to kind of like apply the cream contour and then blend it out on my nose. So there you have those. We also did get the Blink Ultraviolet Tubing Mascara. This is cruelty-free, clean, vegan, gluten-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, and talc-free right here. This is probably that mascara that when you take it off, they kind of just like, you can like kind of, they just like pull off really easily on the eyes. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I have a couple mascaras that you can kind of just like go like this and they'll just kind of come off in lines. I don't know, but I think that's what that is. I do have the Cover FX Gripping Primer and Firming. Yes. I have this by Skin & Co. This is the Ultra Pure Facial Oil. It's formulated for all skin types, and it says just get that light from within glow. So right now I do use another facial oil. I only use facial oils at night unless it's winter time, then I'll use it at night and day. But as we transition into summer, I definitely can, you know, I get away with just using facial oil at night. It really helps hydrate my skin, and I have seen the benefits of it. So we'll try this out, we'll see. So we also have this by the Elemis. This is the Superfood Midnight Facial. It's a nourishing sleeping cream. If you guys use something like a sleeping cream and you have acne prone skin like I do, let me know down below if you use it or if you kind of use something like this as like a thicker mask to wear and then kind of take off. I know there are some like overnight hydrating creams or whatever you want to call those that I get a little nervous using overnight. So I normally, like if I need to hydrate my skin, I'll just slap it on, leave it on for like 10 minutes and then just wash it off. But if you guys have similar type of skin like mine that's like acne prone, let me know if you've tried any of them and what your feelings are on them. So we have one last product here. This is by Vegan Beauty, KVD, whatever. And this is Epic Kiss. This is a nourishing vegan butter lipstick in the shade Lolita. Ooh. The packaging is just, oh. Now I can wear Lolita without having to do liquid lipstick. Look at that. This is right up my alley. Right there with the packaging. Look at that. That's probably my favorite thing right now. So that is everything I got. It's okay, right? Like it's a fine month. I do have 2 more boxes coming in because I do have my own subscription. I'm interested to see what I get versus what's inside here. I have the Elemis Night Facial retails for $50. The Gripping Primer retails for $38. The facial oil retails for $68. The brushes retail for $50. The lipstick from KVD retails for $22. And the mascara retails for $26. So it's a glimpse as to what you guys can get inside your boxes. The boxes were okay. There are products in here that I'm very excited to try out, especially the Gripping Primer, the Lolita lipstick. Like I love Lolita as a liquid lipstick, but to have it in a lipstick version, even better. We got mascara. We've got, I'm interested to try this, the Skin & Co. Glow Filter. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up to let me know if you guys still like these unboxings, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.